Hi all. Today in this video, I'll be talking about 20 principles you should live by to get everything you want in life. Everything and anything. Master this and you'll see that your life changing. The 80-20 principle is a well-known concept in business and economics. It suggests that 80% of the outcomes come from 20% of the efforts. However, this principle applies not only to business but also to life in general. In this context, the 80-20 principle suggests that 80% of the things that matter in your life are caused by 20% of your actions. The key to success is to identify this 20% of actions and focus on them. Doing so will maximize your productivity and help you achieve your goals faster. Now, let's dive into this 80-20 principles you should follow to get everything in life. Ensure that you master this. Master this for 1 month and see the changes. Principle 1: anything is possible if you're willing to work for it. Successful people don't believe in limits. They know that anything is possible if they are willing to work for it. Therefore, you should adopt the same mindset. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't achieve something. If you're willing to put in the effort, you can make anything happen. Principle 2: you are the only limit to your success. It's only you and you who can stop it. The only thing that can stop you from achieving your goals is yourself. Don't let fear, doubt, or negative thoughts hold you back. Instead, focus on your strengths and work on your weakness. You have the power to create the life you want. Principle 3: set clear goals and make a plan to achieve them. Successful people don't leave their success to chance. They set clear goals and make a plan to achieve them. Therefore, you should define and break your goals into smaller, achievable steps. By doing so, you will have a clear roadmap to success. Principle 4: action, action, action. Take massive action. Success requires action. You can't just think about your goals. You must take massive action to achieve them. Therefore, you should prioritize your goals and take consistent action towards them. Remember that small steps lead to significant results. Principle 5: embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of the journey. Successful people embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Therefore, you should adopt the same mindset. Don't fear failure, see it as a chance to learn and grow. Principle number 6: surround yourself with successful people. You become the average of the few people you spend the most time with. Therefore, you should surround yourself with successful people who inspire and challenge you to grow by doing so, you will elevate your mindset and achieve more. Principle 7: learn continuously. Successful people never stop learning. They read books, attend seminars, and seek mentorship to improve their skills and knowledge. Therefore, you should adopt a learning mindset and invest in personal growth. Remember that knowledge power. Principle 8: health. Health is wealth. Take care of your health. Your health is your greatest asset. Therefore, you should care for your body and mind by eating well, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and practicing self care. Caring for your health gives you the energy and vitality to pursue. Principle 9: practice gratitude, guys. Practice gratitude. Enjoy the little things in your life and be thankful for it. Gratitude is the key to happiness and success. Focusing on what you're grateful for will attract more positive experience. Therefore, you should practice gratitude daily by journaling, meditating, or simply expressing appreciation for the people and things in your life. Principle 10: take responsibility of your life. Successful people take full responsibility for their lives. They don't blame others for their failures or rely on external circumstances to determine their fate. Therefore, you should adopt a mindset of personal responsibility and take control of your life. You have the power to create if you want. Principle 11: be proactive. Proactivity is the hallmark of successful people. They don't wait for opportunities to come to them, they create their opportunities. Therefore, you should proactively pursue and act toward your goals. Don't wait for someone else. Number 12: learn to manage your time effectively. Time is money. Time is your most precious resource. Therefore, you should learn to manage it effectively by prioritizing tasks, eliminating distractions, and using time management tools. Doing so will allow you to accomplish more in less time and achieve your goals faster. Principle 13: build strong relationships. Success is not just about what you know. Success is not just about what you know, it's all about who you know. Therefore, you should build strong relationships with people who can support and inspire you. Networking, mentorship, and collaboration are essentials to success. Principle 4, practice persistence. Never ever give up. Persistence is the key to success. Successful people don't give up easily. When faced with obstacles or setbacks, they persist until they achieve their goals. Therefore, you should adopt a mindset of persistence and keep pushing forward even when. Principle 15, focus on solutions, not problems. When all the doors are shut, at ease and peace, focus on solutions. Successful people don't dwell on problems, they focus on solutions. Therefore, you should adopt the same mindset and look for opportunities to solve problems and add value. By doing so, you will position yourself for success and earn the respect of others. Principle 16, develop a positive attitude. A positive attitude is essential to success. It helps you stay motivated, overcome obstacles, and attract positive experience. Therefore, you should develop positive attitude by focusing on the good in every situation and adopting a growth mindset. Principle 17, be flexible and adaptable. Success requires flexibility and adaptability. You need to be able to adjust your plans and strategies when faced with unexpected challenges or opportunities. Therefore, you should be open to change and willing to pivot when necessary. Principle 18, take calculated risks. Come on, guys, you have one life. Take calculated risks. If you lose, good, you have learned a lesson. If you win, sky's the limit. Success often requires taking risks. However, successful people don't take risks recklessly. They take calculated risks based on careful analysis and planning. Therefore, you should be willing to take risks when the potential reward justifies the potential loss of money, time, or consequence. Now, most important, what is that? Surprising. Principle 19, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. You should not get motivation from others. You should believe in yourself. Self belief is the foundation of success. If you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. Therefore, you should build self confidence and believe in your abilities. Remember that you have what it takes to succeed. Principle 20, give back. Make this world a better place to live. Successful people understand the importance of giving back. They know that true success is not just about personal achievement, but also about positively impacting others. Therefore, you should find ways to give back to your community or support important causes. By doing so, you'll not only help others but also create a sense of purpose and fulfillment in your life. Finally, success is not a destination, it's a journey, guys. It's a journey. You might have heard this from Mahesh Babu in Maharshi, right? Yes. Success is not a destination, it's a journey. It requires commitment, hard work, and most importantly, a mindset of continuous growth and improvement. By adopting the 80-20 principles we have discussed here, you will be on your way to achieving everything and anything you want in this life. Remember to stay focused, take action, never ever give up on your dreams. Success is within you. Finally, if you like this video, please subscribe to our article. This trick 420 is about tricking your mind. Here you get all real business tips, videos on healthy cooking, healthy recipes, remedies, alternative medicines, and most importantly, weight loss and also some fun and entertainment. So, all under one umbrella and one roof. Please subscribe to our channel Trick 420.